First question is, what is the full form of FSI? Option A, Financial Service Integrator. Option B, Financial System Integrator. Option C, Financial System Improved. Option D, Final System Integrator. Correct answer is A, Financial Service Integrator. Question 2. In respect of JDS substitute in Darpan. Option A, Aadhaar number is used as ID. Option B, CSI user ID is used. Option C, RSI user ID is used. Option D, Darpan user ID is used. Correct answer is option A, Aadhaar number is used as ID. Third question, Darpan main aims to computerizing. Option A, division office. Option B, head office. Option C, branch office. Option D, sub office. Correct answer is option C, branch office. Fourth question, DRC is functional at Mysore. Option A, 20/5/2015, 17/4/2011. ऑप्शन सी 15/5/2015. ऑप्शन डी 10/5/2012. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी 15/5/2015. Fifth question, in the context of computer, RAM means. Option A, write of access memory. Option B, random access memory. Option C, read of memorize. Option D, read access memory. Correct answer option B, random access memory. Question number 6, which type of printer used in Darpan MCD device? Option A, dot matrix. Option B, laser. Option C, inkjet. Option D, thermal. Correct answer is option D, thermal. Question number 7, AEPS stands for. Option A, Aadhaar Enable Payment Service. Option B, ATM Enable Payment Service System. Option C, ATM Enable Payment Service. Option D, Aadhaar Enable Payment System. Correct answer is option D, Aadhaar Enable Payment System. Question number 8, where is the primary data center of IT modernization is located? Option A, Chennai. Option B, Kolkata. Option C, Navi Mumbai. Option D, Mysore. Correct answer is option C, Navi Mumbai. Question number 9, Darpan stands for. Option A, Digital Application in Rural Post Office for New India. Option B, Digital Advancement of Rural Post Office for New India. Option C, Development of Advanced Post Office Application for New India. Option D, none of this. Correct answer is option B, Digital Advancement of Rural Post Office for New India. Question number 10, in the context of IT, URL is. Option A, underrated link. Option B, uniform resource locator. Option C, uniform resource link. Option D, unified resource locator. Correct answer is option B, uniform resource locator.